What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. In order to do this, you first of all need to verify your eligibility. First of all, you must be on a professional account. In order to do that, you just simply need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three dashes at the top right corner as well. This will take you to settings. And you want to scroll to where you have account types and tools. Tap on it, and then you can see account type. You can see it's currently on personal and private. You could of course tap on switch to professional account, and of course follow the steps. After you've done that, you also need to make sure that your account is public. Once your account is public and it's a professional account, you also need to remember that you typically need about 1,000 followers. And if that option is missing despite having over 1,000 followers, this means that your region needs more than 1,000. In some cases, you might need 10,000 followers as the minimum. So once all of that is done and you've met with the eligibility requirements, you just simply need to go to the home page or your profile page, then tap on the message icon at the bottom center of your screen. And then at the top right corner, you want to tap on the compose new message icon right there. And then of course, if you're eligible, you have the option to create a broadcast channel. Now, once you see that option, create a broadcast channel, you need to name your channel, select your audience, and choose the necessary settings. After you've done that, of course, you could write in your first message. Do take note that your followers will not receive a notification about the channel until you first send your first message. Once the channel is live, share the join channel sticker in your stories to maximize member sign up. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to create a broadcast channel on Instagram.